Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado sorbet. First, select 2 to 3 ripe avocados, ensuring they are soft to the touch but free of blemishes. You'll also need the juice of 1 to 2 limes, about 1/4 cup, and a simple syrup made from 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. This combination creates a refreshing and creamy dessert. Once your ingredients are ready, scoop the avocado flesh into a blender. Add the fresh lime juice and the cooled simple syrup. Blend everything on high until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has no lumps. This step is crucial for a silky texture. After blending, pour the mixture into a shallow container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Now, transfer the well-chilled avocado mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, which usually takes between 20 and 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. This churning process incorporates air, making the sorbet light and smooth. Once churned, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours to firm up. When you're ready to serve, let the avocado sorbet sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Serve it in chilled bowls, perhaps garnished with a fresh lime wedge or a sprig of mint for a beautiful presentation. This vibrant, creamy sorbet is a delightful and unique treat. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.